Hello, I am Dr. Umesh Sharma, Consultant Intervention Pulmonologist, Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. So today we are going to discuss about the most common topic, that is COVID vaccinations. So people have got so many doubts regarding COVID vaccinations. So I will try to clarify some of the doubts regarding the COVID vaccines. So the vaccines available in India are Covishield, Covaxin, and the new vaccine, that is the Russian's Sputnik vaccine. So let us discuss about the Sputnik V vaccine. So Sputnik V vaccine is manufactured by the same Covishield manufacturers, that is AstraZeneca company. So it is also a viral vector vaccine. So it is given in 2 doses. The gap between the first dose and second dose will be around 20 days. So let us discuss about the common questions regarding the vaccinations. So Covishield and Covaxin are claiming around 65 to 70% of efficacy, whereas Sputnik V vaccine is claiming around 90% efficacy. This Sputnik V vaccine has got a little bit more efficient. So this is why, because in Covishield, when you are receiving 2 doses of vaccination, you are going to receive only one strain of adenovirus. But in Sputnik vaccine, you are going to receive 2 different strains of adenovirus. Initially, the gap between 2 doses of Covishield vaccination is around 1 month, but recently it is made to 2 to 3 months. The National Institute of Virology has a scientific explanation saying that if the gap between the 2 doses is increased, the body will train the immunity and to produce more number of antibodies when you receive the second dose of vaccine. That means if the gap is less, the body is less trained to produce antibodies, gap is more, body immunity is more trained to produce antibodies. So people who got more than 18 years and all comorbid patients like diabetes, hypertension, heart failure patients, liver failure patients and kidney failure patients, people who are undergoing dialysis and all organ transplant patients, and even cancer patients also can go for vaccinations. Recently, pregnant women and also lactating women are also included in the vaccination list. So hence they also can go for the vaccinations. If you get the COVID disease, you have to wait at least 3 to 4 months and you have to check your IgG antibodies. If your IgG antibody titers are low, then you have to go for a vaccination. If your IgG antibodies are more, you have to wait for at least 1 or 2 months more. So let me share you our experience. So in the second wave, we have dealt with Delta variant. People who got vaccinated with the 2 doses of COVID vaccine have got mild disease, and none of the patients got admitted in the ICU and also have got severe disease. So that means whatever may be the variant is, that is Delta or Delta plus or Kappa variant, people who got 2 doses of vaccination have definitely got certain amount of antibodies to fight against the COVID disease. The best option to fight against the third wave, that is Delta plus variant, is get 2 doses of vaccination as fast as possible. So nearly 45 crores of people have got vaccinated with the first dose of COVID vaccine. Nearly 10 crores of the people have got vaccinated with the 2 doses of vaccine. So don't hesitate for taking a COVID vaccine. If you got any doubt, consult a pulmonologist and take a vaccine as fast as possible.
Sunshine.